Good evening from Las Vegas, Nevada. We are in town for a work conference for myself, and we're staying here at the Wynn. But not only the Wynn, we're staying at the Wynn Tower Suites. So this is the entrance to the Tower Suites. You get a separate entrance here. I don't even know what room type we're gonna get yet, so we're gonna head inside, check in, and see what kind of room that we get. So join us for a room tour of the Wynn Tower Suites. So the Wynn Tower Suites is a whole separate check-in area and a whole separate valet area. You got a nice Ferrari out here. On the other side here, you got a nice McLaren. These little lion statues out here. And so this is the more private area for valet. It's not as hectic as the main front entrance. And then we'll show you the whole check-in process, but nice McLaren out front here. And then we're gonna head on inside here to the Tower Suites. Thank you, babe. So when you come inside, you get a little sitting area off to the left there. And then you come in here and you have a beautiful atrium, don't you? This is nice and stuff. Beyond nice. And so you got actual live koi fish in here. And just to show you, if you're staying in one of the villas 6, 7, and 8 are there. Villas 1, 2, 3 are there. We're staying in the Tower Suite, so you go through here to the check-in, which is separate than the main. I don't know, maybe there's some more villas somewhere else. We'll see. Look at the koi fish. They come in to greet us. They all come right over. I guess they're looking for some food, but it smells amazing in here. We see them out here like pruning the flowers and planting fresh flowers and all kinds of stuff. This is nice. More koi fish. Those are some beautiful ones, aren't they?
Living a life.
Yeah, I know. And then, so this is where we're gonna go next, this Tower Suites lobby. Look at the ceiling.
Yeah, I know, I told you.
Oh, it's just glass. It's got designs in it and a big chandelier.
Extra glass.
Well, you stayed in a lot of suites in Vegas, but I think this is the most grand entrance in it from all of them. And so Tower Suites, here we go. Coming into here, you have all your hotel stuff and casino to your left over here. And then over to your right is like convention space. But you go straight ahead, that's where we're staying at the Tower Suites. You got the fresh flowers on both sides over here. Every morning they work on these flowers. They do a fantastic job here. But Tower Suites, you just head straight in here. Elevators, there's a restaurant to your left. In the morning time, they have coffee out here. It's complimentary with your Tower Suite room. And here's your check-in area. Again, more fresh flowers. They got restrooms. You have like a little sitting area over there to check in at. They have the main check-in area right here. And this is just beautiful and grand in here. It's so nice. And if you head this way, they're doing some construction right now on the left. But if you head this way, there's some areas outside here. And then, thank you. And it's such a nice staff here. And then Tower Suites floors 5 through 21, 22 through 60. They also have this Tableau restaurant here. And I believe you get a $50 room credit with your stay to eat breakfast here. But that's where we are, 22 through 60. We are in room 3206. And the Tower Suites looks a lot different than the main tower here. Like the artwork, the floor, everything is just elevated. Even the floor to ceiling doors. You have little doorbells here. And wait till y'all see this room. This is the parlor suite here at the Tower Suites. There is a connecting room here if you like. And then this is what you come into. Beautiful. And I'll start right over here. You have your little wet bar here. These are charge items right here. And then you have the Nespresso machine over here. Nespresso is included. You have a little sink here. And then down below is the charge fridge. So everything in here, you take it out for more than 30 seconds. They're gonna charge you for it. But the cool thing is, this room also has a separate fridge with nothing in it. So a lot of times you have to ask for them to empty out your fridge for you and things like that, but not here, you don't. It's just beautiful. And my Nespresso machine. And like I said, these are also charged, but you have like candies, snacks, everything right there. When you come in, You do have a separate bathroom right here. Toilet sink. The sink is a nice pedestal sink in here. I just love it already. Huge ceilings in here. It's just really nice. Look at this big entryway. It's beautiful. Look at the big light up there. It's like a marble light right there on the ceiling. That is awesome. And then over here, you have like cool, it's not just artwork, it's like an actual like cloth quilt looking thing. It's pretty cool. Then you come into this place right here. We're leaving the curtains shut for right now. We'll show you the view in a second, but you have a nice little spot here. You can put your keys, wallet down, stuff like that. You do have the Amazon Echo there. So if you say the other A word, then it'll talk to you and everything. You have a nice table right here. So you could eat here, you could work here, whatever you want to do. You also have these tablets here. And some of the screens show like a lot more information, so I'll just show you this. But everything in this room can be controlled from here. Also your privacy for the door, the lights, everything. And look at the ceiling up here too. The ceiling is just so cool. Mirror ceiling in here. And then coming down, you have an awesome living room in here. You do have your separate thermostats. So one for the bedroom, one for the living room. But you have that big couch, some cool like furniture and decor. That's my box of riches that I'm about to win from the slot machine. I'm going to carry that down there with me and just fill it up from the slot machines. But just like the touches, like that's a solid marble table right there. This huge TV right here. And we're just getting started. My favorite paintings on the wall right here. That's how I'm going to be sitting in this room after I fill up my chest there full of riches. But look at this bedroom, y'all. Look at the bedroom. We didn't know what room we were getting when we checked in, so it was a complete surprise to us. So this is really neat. Awesome bedroom. Let me just turn the lights off real quick. And this is all off. And then we can take you over there and show you the sphere real quick. And then we'll show you the rest of the room. Look at this. There is the sphere. That's no zoom right there. I'll zoom in so you can see a little better. But you have an amazing view of the sphere. And down below, way down there is all the pools. I'm not sure which pool is the private pool for this tower, but the tower suites do have a private pool. And then, see if we can get some lights back on in here. So you can use the tablet, and also they have the light switches on the wall. So luckily they have an all on button. But right here to your left or to my right, another big TV, dressers, everything. It's like a huge slab of like marble concrete or whatever, stone. It's just neat. And then look at this poster bed frame. Man, this is nice. And this is their upgraded bedding. It's like the Wynn Dream collection. Don't quote me on that 100%, but it's upgraded bedding. You got this nice headboard back here. You got your reading lights, a bunch of huge, nice, comfy pillows. You do have another tablet here. The tablet, again, will control everything. Thermostat, drapes, lighting, your door privacy, the TV, room service. So literally, you could just sit in bed and do everything from your tablet. You don't have to worry about even getting up if you don't want to. Look at this. This is the bathroom of the parlor suite. This right here is amazing. I always wanted to have this cool seashell in my bathroom, didn't you, Steph? But it's actually like, I think it's marble. That's so cool. It's just a fancy, fancy bathroom in here. It's so nice. So you do have double sinks, but I also like, they call it the powder area. So you have a full makeup area over here. Makeup mirror on the side there too. Plenty of good lights over here. And just a little spot to set up there. You do have one of your sinks over here. Here's a lot of their amenities that they have. So the mouthwash, hairspray, I mean, you name it, they've got you covered. There's a marble clock there. That's so cool. On the opposite side over here is the other sink. So I do like that separation of space there. It's pretty nice. And look at this, even the small touches like that, just a nice plush rug right there is nice. They do have razor, shaving cream, toothbrush, like everything you need, mouthwash, cotton swabs. So if you forgot something, everybody, you don't have to worry about going down and getting it. It's all right here for you. Robes here as well. This is a walk-in closet. You do have a full-length mirror here. Another little mirror in here. That's for the couch bed bedding up there. You have the safe on the wall. A little bigger than a lot of Vegas hotels. Still not huge, but it is a little bit bigger. And then over here you do have, looks like some slippers, places to put your clothes and everything. And then turning back around, there's those cool marble lights again. And then you have your giant tub here. And this is a jacuzzi type, or I guess it's an air jetted tub, I believe is what they called it. So that's very nice. And you also have your very nice shower here as well. So it's like the black marble in there. That is just super, super nice. But yeah, all in all, this is just an amazing, amazing room here. There's the living room again. You can see that. There's a good look at that ceiling from here we love. And so these are your lighting controls on the wall here. So all on, all off, or low. And then somewhere, I think it's over here. Yeah, these are the drapes right here. So drapes open and shears open. Voila. It's neat because you can see a little bit of the glass tinted there, like that bronze color, which you always see from the Wynn, the Encore, have that bronze looking color, which is nice. And then we can just turn the lights right off, and then they don't turn off. There we go. And then you can see that sphere view again. So wherever you are in the bed, the living room, part of the bathroom, you can see this sphere. So, so neat. We've been seeing a lot of these cool mosaic ones. This one's for the Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. They had one earlier we caught a glimpse of. We'll try to catch it again. It had like a UFO and the desert on it. But I love these mosaic ones. And right now the Wizard of Oz is playing over there. It's the movie. And I think they have like synths and it kind of moves possibly. I can't remember what all it was, but it definitely seemed pretty interesting online. They have one for the Zook. So the Zook is a Amazon-owned vehicle, fully electric, and right now they're doing free rides throughout Vegas. Very limited availability, but look at that little Zook driving around town there. We have made it back to the room after a long day. So Steph, Steph has joined me for a little slot play. And dinner, we had Buddy V's, amazing food. But I just wanted to show y'all, this is like the most tranquil thing ever. I've been in conferences today for like 12 hours, plus Steph and I, eating dinner, playing a little bit of slots.
Yeah, 7 hours out of this room for me.
Yeah, so I've been out of the room like 18 hours maybe, something like that. First of all, this is the Asian Rain right here. And this stuff, it's air freshener.
Okay.
That's a lot of it. But it smells so good. And that's the smell when you come in. But also, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see this. This is like the most tranquil that I've ever seen before when you come into a room here. So turn this around real quick. Boom. So you got the TVs playing. Now I have the Asian Rain smell, which smells amazing. But listen to this tranquil music right here. How nice, it's peaceful. You come in, you got the smells, you got the music, and you got the turn down service. So you also have the TV in here playing the same kind of tranquil music there. And they got the slippers right here, turn down service. So the bed's been, of course, made with cleaning service earlier. Then they also have the turn down, another pair of the nighttime bedtime slippers. They have this right here. Good night, sleep tight. If you need anything, just call the concierge. And then, so I started laying in bed. Chocolates. I got a milk chocolate and a 72% dark. So that's also to show you. I don't know if all the rooms here have turned down, but definitely with the suites, you get some nice perks here with the turn down service. And I will tell y'all too, this bed has been absolutely amazing. I actually just turned the camera around. Let's go and do our outro all in one. So this hotel has been amazing. The staff, amazing. It's just been a great place to stay. The free coffee in the morning has been great. I've been going to the conventions It's taken over the Encore, the Wynn, some of the Palazzo, and most of the Venetian. So there's been like a lot of walking, and of course the conventions for me doing work. Our food and drinks and all that stuff, like coffee's all paid for. But it's been nice just getting that complimentary coffee and having something warm and caffeinated as you walk over. The bed, like I said, was amazing. The water pressure, the strongest we've ever had in a room.
Gave me a black eye.
Except they gave it a black eye. So it's just been a great stay here. So if you get a chance, it doesn't have to be this room. I think there's some other rooms that are like less expensive. But if you can, stay in the Tower Suites. Just when you come in and see the koi fish and the water, it's relaxing, it's tranquil. The check-in area is so beautiful. The fresh flower smell. You get the views out here. I think you also probably get a view of the other side of the strip. But you have the views of the Sphere. It's just a very relaxing part of Vegas. And like a lot of times we'll stay on the other side. Like you've seen some of the videos like Caesar's Palace and stuff like that. This side of Vegas is just so much more peaceful, quiet. It's just been a great stay. So all in all, thank you for joining us for a room tour. I know it's expanded a little bit more.
You gotta give them a final view of the Sphere.
Oh, the Sphere, yeah, I'll show you that. So thank you for joining us. Again, it's been, I know it's kind of like a mixture of room tour. We're talking about like the turn down, showing you the Sphere, coming in and just showing you like the Tranquil music and everything. But it's just so much to show you, and they offer so much. Let me turn around real quick here and show you. Let's see. Shears open, drapes open.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh wait, drapes open, shears open. Alexa, lights off.
Okay.
Oh, maybe. Alexa, all lights off.
Okay. There you go.
There we go. Alexa, TV off. I don't know if it actually turns the TV off or not.
Okay.
Oh, well, there we go. And then there's the last look at the Sphere. Again, from our room. So I would just say Tower Suites is definitely the way to do Vegas, I feel like.
Yeah, I prefer this view over a strip view any day.
Yeah, this view, this bed, this hotel, and this side of the strip, it's just been like a relaxing side of Vegas instead of the hustle and bustle. As I know this is a room tour, kind of turned into us talking about Vegas, but it's just been a good experience on this side of the strip and stuff. Kind of worth the splurge to come down this side. I know we're here for a convention and for work, but look at that. We've seen so many cool ones at nighttime here. There's been like mosaic ones, some of the ones we showed you, but it's just some cool clouds.
Hella good.
That's an orange.
Yeah.
They had a sandwich up there the other night too. I can't remember if I got the sandwich on camera or not. Airport's just down there behind this big orange, so you get to see planes landing. Oh, there's a bee on it. It's spoiling. Who is that? Is that for No Doubt? Yeah, that is No Doubt. Yeah, that's No Doubt. So Gwen Stefani is here. I didn't get to see her today.
Yeah, the concert's tonight.
Oh, it's tonight. So they're probably in the Sphere right now doing the concert.
There's several nights.
Is there?
Yeah.
Close to where we were today, we got to see part of the meet and greet. So we couldn't see Gwen Stefani, but we saw the people lining up for the meet and greet. There's Gwen herself, No Doubt. No Doubt. That's a Sphere.
I love No Doubt. I love Gwen Stefani.
Oh,
Went to the concert.
we should have. With that being said, the nerds had an amazing trip to Vegas. Even though it's for work, we still loved it. It's been a great time. Even for work, it's been great. And we highly recommend the Wynn and this side of the strip and the Sphere view if you can get it. And
melting.
Jen Stark, Cosmic Cascade, XO Art. And the nerds are
Out.